Hola chicos, so I just wanted to go over this homework assignment that was due on Friday so that you make sure you have the correct answers. So if we could please go over this, and then I have an in-class assignment that I will then be going over with you through conferences today. So please have this out. So chicos, we begin with number 1. La República de Chile es un país largo y es ancho. Obviously, this is false. You should not have ancho. Oops. You should have the word estrecho. And estrecho means narrow. Número 2. La región del norte es húmeda y estéril. So, chicos, en el norte we're going to find un desierto, right? Oops. So the desert should not be húmedo. If not, it should be the opposite word, árido. That would be the correct word. Número 3. La principal riqueza del país es el oro, que también se encuentra en esta región. It wouldn't be el oro, it would be el salitre, which is natural resource of like salt, saline substance, some natural resources. You could have also put cobre. Cobre is one of the things that is found in this natural resource area. Then, la región central del país es una zona industrial. This central region is going to be una región agrícola. Very good for la agricultura and some cereals and trigos and a lot of planting. El centro es la parte menos poblada. That is false because, chicos, it is actually más poblada. Many people are going to live here because of la capital, which is located in el centro. En la parte del sur hay grandes desiertos donde hay maderas preciosas. So, chicos, the word maderas, you should know, means wood or trees or lumber. So there's no desiertos, it should be bosques, which I know you guys know means forest. La mayor parte de su población desciende de los franceses. Incorrecto, it comes from los españoles. Lima es la ciudad comercial más importante y el principal puerto. So, chicos, there is a certain port and city in Chile that's very important, and it's going to be called Valparaíso. And Valparaíso, chicos, this word paraíso almost means paradise. So that's going to be called the main port of the Pacific. Managua es la capital de Chile. Incorrecto, Santiago. And tiene una población de 18 millones, right? En París del Pacífico se refiere al Santiago, not Pacífico de los Andes, because los Andes es una cordillera that separates Santiago. So, chicos, now if you guys could please go do your do now assignment and have it ready for our conference, that would be excellent. Gracias.